Yeah. So I would like to discuss about the HANA upgrade. HANA upgrade. So what is mean by HANA upgrade here? So how to perform the HANA upgrade? So the agenda for today, we are going to discuss about the HANA upgrade. So before you performing the HANA upgrade, always as a best practice to read the release note. So as a best practice, read the review the release note of the latest version. Suppose you are going to the SPS 06, then you need to read the SPS 06 release note. So here you will come to know what is mean by, so what exactly issues fixed in the SPS 06, and so what is the dependency. Why? Because so to perform this upgrade, always HANA upgrade as a dependency on the your OS version and kernel, OS version and OS kernel. So always there is a dependency on the operating system version and the operating system kernel. So this should be match it. Otherwise, your HANA upgrade, it won't happen. It will be failed. Also, the dependency, suppose anyhow you are performing the HANA kernel version, right? Maybe dependency, the packages, dependency RPM packages, dependence on RP packages will be installed, which means compact C++, so compact C++ and GCC in the Linux systems. So, and also, so we have, yeah, these are the, so, and INSSRV package. So these are the packages are very important. These are the packages are very important to update. So this may be your OS team will take care of this package, RPM package update and everything, right? The OS team will take care of this RPM package update and everything. They will take care of that one, right? So that is the thing main difference here before you performing the upgrade, right? HANA upgrade. So before performing an upgrade, we need to release the dependency note also. So like what are the, suppose you need to check the what are the add-ons and plugins are installed in your system. Suppose if there is some other add-ons already installed, then you need to patch that add-ons also. You need to patch that add-ons also. You need to patch it. That add-ons also you need to patch in the systems. You need to patch in the systems. That add-ons also we need to patch in the systems, right? So that is the thing we have to do that one, right? So I think this is the instance number 03. Someone rename it to the 03. So let me delete again. And let me delete. I configure. (03) multi-container system DB. So this one system. Okay, this is added. This is added to the HANA Studio, right? So here you can check the version. How to check the HANA version here? Anyone? Any idea how to check the HANA version here? Current version. Okay. In the overview page, here you can check the version information, which means SPS 05 patch level 9. 9 means it's patch level 9. SPS 05 means which is revision 59. Revision 59. So they will start releasing it. So what is the strategy the SAP is following to release the packages? So once a year, they will release the new SPs. Once a year, they will release the new SPs. So every quarterly means every 3 months once, so they will release the revisions or depends on the issues which customers are facing, right? They will start releasing the revisions. That is the main thing here. Okay, that is the main thing. They will start doing it here, right? So that is the point we need to remember. Every 1 year once they will release the new SP. So the current SPS level is the 07, which is released in the month of April. So in 2023, they have released the new SP. Then after that, SPS 08, so maybe they will release in the 2024, right? That is the new strategy that they are following. But in between, you have the revisions, right? After the patch releases, so new patch, in that patch also there are some bugs. So that bugs they will release in the every patch that they may release it. So currently we have 5908 is the 59. We have the patch level HANA 2 59 means HANA 2 SP05. What is the kernel version? What is our Linux version? Red Hat Linux 8.8. What is the kernel? 4.18. So this is the our OS. So always when you are going to the latest versions, so your kernel, your OS operating system should be up to date. Your operating system should be up to date. That is the main thing we need to know. Our operating system is up to date, right? That is the system versions. We need to check it out before you perform the upgrade assessment. So we need to check the all these things. We need to check it out, right? So let's start. So then what next? Then what next? So this we know. Then what next? We have to perform it, right? Upgrading the HANA systems. The first step, check the current, check the current HANA version. Check the current HANA version and the dependency. So patches version also dependency, maybe add-ons or so add-ons or plugins. We need to check what is the version. So suppose you have added the additional add-ons, so we need to check that additional add-ons also. We need to check in the systems. Additional add-ons also we need to check in the systems, right? So we need to check in the additional add-ons also. Okay, so let me 1 minute. Okay. Okay, you can see my screen, right? So here we can check it out the additional add-ons and plugins. So suppose if anything is installed, here it will be displayed. Here it will be displayed. Here nothing is installed. So always when you are upgrading the your HANA DB server, so HANA client and the related dependency add-ons and plugins and client also we need to update along with your HANA version. Then you check it out. Then we need to download the latest what is the patch level you are going. You need to download the latest patch level from service marketplace along with the client also, along with the client plugins. If anything additional things you need to download also. Then move the HANA DB patches to the DB server level. You can move it. Then after that extract the right, extract the DB server patch, so keep it ready for the downtime. Then fifth step, the stop SAP system. Then we need to stop the SAP while doing the DB upgrade. We need to stop the SAP systems. So before stopping, here we can put one step like, so extract the DB server and so keep it ready for the root user password, root and SID ADM and system user passwords for safer side. Why? Because it will ask the SID ADM password, so we need to keep ready for the system user password also. Then stop the SAP. Then so switch to root user, then execute the hdb lcm upd file, hdb upd file to hdb lcm tools. Execute the hdb lcm tools for upgrading the HANA systems. Then step number 7. Then so doing the upgrade, everything will be upgraded. Then after that just start the SAP systems. Then perform the validations, perform the validations in the systems. So these steps are very important. So before that, prior to stopping the SAP system, then here I can make it one more step, like take the backup of your database. Take the backup of database, and so moreover, you can also take the backup of HANA kernels, HANA the kernel, right? That exe, HANA exe kernel also you can take the backup. Backup means separately can copy that one. Then stop the SAP application, right? Then 7, then 8. Backup also there is no use. Why? Because after the upgrade, if you want to restore it, you cannot do the restore. Why? Because backup you have taken on the lowest version, then HANA upgrade is in the highest version, then it is not possible. So for safer side, you can take the backup also, you can take it out, right? So now we have checked it. Our version is HANA 2.0 SPS 04. In the system, you can go to the and check it out in the support package, service marketplace, go to the databases, HANA, right? H for HANA. Here in the HANA side, you can see here in the HANA side, here, so there is a platform edition, right? That we are discussing about the platform edition in the HANA side. So platform edition. So what is the current version? SPS 05, right? SPS 5, right? That is the SP level currently we have in the systems, right? So you can see here what is our DB server name, HANA 2.0 SPS 05. So check the Linux version, right? So here currently we have 67 is there, 59 is there, we are in the 59, right? SPS 05, right? After that we have the SPS 06 is released, then after that we have the 71 also released, right? So then 71 also released, 70 SPS 07 also released. So I am downloading the SPS 07 also, I am downloading. See here, SPS 07 also I am getting downloaded here. See, it is getting downloaded, right? So then what next? You are downloading the patches, you are moving to the application server level, then what next? So you can also check the dependency levels, right? As I told before, we perform the upgrade, always check the, so your release note, go to the content information of the patch, here you will get the release note and what are the issues fixed in your HANA systems, so that you will get the clear information, right? You will get the clear information. Let's see here. So this is the release note. Here you can see that this is released for the customer since 30th of June, right? SPS 07.1. So strategy, media, everything it is updated here. So here you can download the media. How we have to download it, they have clearly mentioned it's not required. Strongly recommended to use the most recent SPS revision and SPS they are asking, so that we know we already downloaded. So for installation or upgrade, to successfully upgrade from the HANA, you need to follow some mandatory steps that we know. So when you are following the, so whenever you are doing that one, HANA 1.0 to 2.0, there are some mandatory steps which we have to follow. But here, what we are doing within the 2.0 only, SPS 052 SPS 052 06 you are upgrading, 052 06 you are upgrading the systems, right? So then it's not applicable for our systems like here, but here you can see information, we will get the some information what is. So here please see the note, hardware requirements, right? And also overview of the supported operating systems, what are the operating systems it is supported. If you open this release note, you will get the clear information. And also additional operating system packages, what are the packages? If you install the SPS 07, what are the additional packages you have to required? Then it will clearly, it will display the all the information, right? So see here, if you are upgrading from the lower SP2, it is recommended to upgrade the higher following the components, right? Suppose you have the HANA Studio, you need to upgrade it, DB clients, anything, you need to upgrade those things also, right? DBSL versions and everything. So what are the issues fixed in this version? Some OLAP connections, backup and restore related issues, database client related issues, enterprise search. So all these related issues are fixed in this version. In this version, all issues are fixed it out. So that's why all issues they have clubbed, and they have released the SPS 071. Previously it's 70. Now patch level 171 revision number they have released it, right? So their revision strategy like that, right? So if you see here, so what are the operating systems, supported operating systems here? So during the installation we discussed. Now again you can see it's supported in the RHEL and SUSE SL. Yes, RHEL as a new operating system might require the certain SPS, right? So better, so see here what are the operating systems it's required and their versions, right? The supported operating systems for the SPS 07. So here we required Red Hat Linux 9. 9 is required, mandatory for that one is for recommended OS settings. So Red Hat Linux 9 is required here to this one. So Red Hat Linux 9. So 9 is for the SPS 05 or 06 or newer versions. So SAP recommended your Red Hat Linux 9 version 9.0 is these versions are recommended, right? Higher. And 8.6 are newer, 8.6 also recommended. Ours is the 8.8. So then we are good, right? Ours is the 8.8. Here you can see the 8.8 is the our version. Otherwise, here also we can check. If you go to the, here also we can check the OS level. If you go to the more /etc/OS-release, then here you will get the version of the your Linux operating system and everything. You will get the versions here, right? This is the way. See here, what are the versions and how many versions in the SUSE Linux? Suppose you are going to you are using the SUSE Linux. So what is the version is recommended, right? SPS 04 is the latest version is recommended here, right? SPS 03. So these are the supported operating systems, and so these are the supported operating systems, right? In the kernel, what are the additional applications? See GCC 9, right? Which we mentioned, right? GCC additional packages which we have to install it, right? We have to update it, right? Those are the GCC 9 libraries definitely should be required. And compact and so lib atomic, all these packages are it's required to not it's required to install it, right? In order to run the SAP applications, then we need to do all these things, we have to perform it. So it's not like that simply going and simply installing. So simply it upgrade the HANA system. So before that there is a plan we have to carefully check how to install the GCC and libatomic. All these things is clearly mentioned here, right? So clearly mentioned here. So let's start doing the, so one thing we can do that one here. We can also check whether the our patches are updated or not. I think it's already updated. So let's checking whether it's updated or not. To update the packages, we have to use the yum install the package name. We have to use it. Then that will be updated. Now you got the some clarity. So right, in not only OS version, you need to update the your packages also. This RPM packages also you have to install it. You have to update it, right? Then that is the thing here, right? Now you got the some clarity how to do that one, right? So I think it's already installed. The package is already installed. So dependencies resolved, nothing to do, complete. Which means now we have already in the this package is already installed. If it's installed, we don't need to take care of anything here. So if it is there, if not that, we need to install these packages also. We need to perform it, right? We need to perform this packages also. So this is the way we need to check the release node. That's why as a best practice, we need to treat the release node. Then you will come to know all the information. You will come to know all the information, what to do, what not to do, right? So that is the information. Download, move the patches, we know with SAP. Then extracting, we know, take the backup of, then that we know. So now we need to stop the SAP application. So let's go ahead and stop the SAP application. Now we know, like in the MMC, you guys knows how to stop the SAP application or commands, you know, right? So that one. Now let's start the, without any delay, we can start the SAP upgrade. So while doing the upgrade, we need to stop the SAP application. Why means here SAP system will be restarted, HANA will be restarted. All the process will be stopped and started. So that time, if SAP is up and running, it's not the, so it will be corrupted, right? It will be so inconsistency. And then go to the media folder where we have the all the softwares are available. Then here you can see HANA 06 is available, right? That's we downloaded. Then go to the here, go to the LS-LTR. Here, just execute the HDB UPD for upgrade. Uninstallation, you can use this one. Installation, you can use this three, right? UPD means update, right? You can use this one. We just double click it. So maybe some permissions issue, I guess, right? So maybe you can use the full permissions here, then execute it. Now it will say which database you want to update. Let's see what are the database are there. I think here we have the NIT, maybe someone created S4H and HDB. Our version is HDB, right? Then just click the 0. Then do you want to, yes, and system, yes, system password, it will ask only system password, it will ask, then done, right? Just click on the Y button. Then you can see our database is getting upgraded. If something wrong or some packages you have not installed, then it may fail it out. Checking, see here, it is checking now. Very simple. HANA upgrade, very simple. But the preparation activities are there, right? So those are the very important. If you perform all preparation activities carefully, you won't face any issue. The smoothly upgrade will be finished, right? You won't face any issues. So that's why the planning is very important here. Planning means, so first you need to 1 or 2 times or take 1 day or 2 days, read the release note clearly, what exactly they are mentioning, what operating systems, what is our operating systems and everything. So definitely there is a dependency on the operating systems.
Sir, if package is not available, from where again we need to download?
Yeah, these are the which one Linux packages.
RMP package is something you told, right? RPM
Yeah,
package.
Linux RPM packages. Yeah, that Linux team will install it. But if you want to install you yourself, so these Linux packages, so anyhow software, your system already registered into the, your system
Okay.
automatically will register into the software package center automatically. It will be registered. So that you can see
Okay.
here, let me show you here. So yeah, it's automatically the subscription will register into the software repository. So software
Okay.
repository, when you are using, you don't need to download. Actually, previously we have to download and install it, right? So, but in the Windows, suppose Windows systems, you need to download and you need to click it, you need to install it. But Linux based systems, so nowadays you don't need to download it. If you that repository, the software, the system, the Linux team, they will store all the softwares in the all the packages in the one repository, right? So our SAP, this is our host. This is our host, means our Linux host. If you are the subscriber, if you are the subscriber member of the this Linux or RPM packages, all packages are in the one repository here, right? If you are the subscriber, your system will be connected to the here. It's pointed to the here. Then when you are using the RPM package, so here you no need to download it. Just install. Then what is the package? The package name, if you give it, so it will check. It will go ahead and it can check the package. Yeah, check in the
Okay.
packages in the bucket. Here in this bucket, your respective package is available or not. It will check, yes, it is available, and what is your system version in the system. Both it will compare it. If any new version is available here, that new version it will pick up and it will install it automatically. You no need to manually download from the site, and you can suppose your system is not registered. In this case, how to do that one? Suppose example, if system is not registered, just go to the Google, then so download GCC9 RPM package for RHCL or SUSE Linux, whatever it may be. Then you can see package, you got it now. So what are the packages you need to download? Check the what is the version. Ours is the x86 64-bit version. See, this is the latest version is available. If we click it, this is getting downloaded, right? Then you can move this all these files to the through your Linux system, then install it. Simple.
Okay.
So yeah, it's available.
Okay, sir, got it.
But this work Linux team will perform it. You no need to take risk on this area. The
Hmm.
Linux team will perform the all kind of installations and everything. What is this additional stuff here? So GCC 9 and IMDb server, this both I am moving to the here. So server level I am moving here. So see here, upgrade is almost completed. The upgrade package is done. Updating the package is already done. Then you are stopping the process. Once it is started, then you will get the version will be changed here. It to SPS 02 to 6. It will be changed. So that will happen. Let's see.
But for that, we don't need to stop DB, right?
You no need to stop anything.
Automatically
The
it will
system will,
take restart.
yeah, it will take care of the restart.
Hmm.
If we stop the DB and if we perform the upgrade, then system will say, so DB is stopped, please start the database.
Okay.
Why? Because this updating the packages, everything will happen during the online, then it will stop it and it will start it, then upgrade is done automatically. Maybe almost it's done. Let me try to connect to the system DB. Maybe refresh the version. Still it's not up.
Sir, we need to only stop application, right? Manually.
Yeah, SAP application definitely. So if you need in this database SAP is running, you need to stop SAP applications. Otherwise, what happens during the restart, those work process will try to connect it. So then there is some data loss, something is happens. So to avoid that type of issues, better to stop the SAP applications. And your DB is not available, the dependency, and stop the. So this one application, do the rest DB upgrade. So it's a very simple that upgrades are DB upgrades, DB installations. So entire HANA database is very simple. The only thing is we need to put the some theoretically just some we need to, but when it comes to the practical upgrades or something, it's very simple actually installations upgrades. The only thing is whenever the issue comes, that time we need to worry. Worry means if you perform prerequisites clearly, then you don't need to do anything here. Yeah, I think some process are starting. Yeah, now you can see. So here, I think system DB started. You can see the version is changed now. 67 SPS 06 now, right? Go to the version information. So you can see history will be displayed here. 59 July 19th, you have done the installation. 67 21st, you have done the installation, right? Installation means we updated here. Then if you do the 71, then 71 will displayed. So history will be displayed here, right? This is the history. Just click on the history. The history will be displayed here. Yes, you can see this is getting updated. Still few processes are yet to start. Those are getting started. What happens if the upgrade stuck in middle? Again, you need to resume the activity, right? You need to resume the upgrade activity. So due to upgrade stuck due to some issues means that issue you need to fix it. Then you need to start the system. So nothing will impact to our database. Why? Because there is no data loss, nothing. Why? Because only DB binaries, those things are getting updated here. So that DB upgrade. So this is the way we have to perform the DB upgrade.
Hello, no?
Yeah, Chandra.
What exactly it's updated? Where you can see in
Yeah.
what exactly and where we see that it's updated? What are those it's updated
So
in
the
release note or application where?
no. This is a database, right? Database. Every database that has some binaries, some kernels in the SAP. How we have the kernel, right? Same as here also we have some kernel. Let me take the here. What are those kernels here? Right? So if you go to the Linux level, if you go to the here HDB ADM, then if you type cd exe, you will get the database libraries here, right? Database libraries, all these libraries. So July, right? 21st today, all these libraries are getting updated to the latest versions. Latest versions, it is this all these libraries, HANA related libraries are getting updated. All these HANA libraries are getting updated. So this is the way. So where can we check the logs means? So slash where in the temp slash where temp. So here we can check the logs. So slash where temp or slash where lag, not the temp, I guess. So here we can check the information. So it's still here slash where in a slash where in the temp slash where temp. Here we can check the upgrade logs. So you can check the upgrade logs. What is happening here? So tail command, you can see. So what is happening here? All the information will be displayed here, right? All the information. So here, what is happening? All the information is recorded here. So importing that
Sir, can you show your kernel version displays work? Here difference on application level, both are different or the same?
No. This
Because
displays
actual version would be like 753, right? Current we are
that is
using.
the SAP kernel version. This is the DB kernels
Okay.
I'm telling. Right?
Can you
We are
show
not doing
here?
the SAP kernel, SAP upgrade or SAP kernel upgrade. This is for the
Okay.
database upgrade we are doing. So to answer to is question, what is exactly updating in the backend means you can see. So DB kernels are getting updated. USR SAP SID. SID means database. SAP in the HANA database, when installing it will create the file system. How the SAP level we have the USR, SAP, SID file systems,
Mhm.
right? Yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
same file systems. So sys exe, how the file systems are available when you are doing the kernel upgrade, all these binaries will get updated, right? Same also in the HANA, when you are doing the HANA upgrade, these files will get updated. These files, which files? So kernel files, all will get updated in the systems. Latest versions it will come. Means existing version, some those files are the binary, some coding related files. Those are the some binaries. So that existing binaries, if they have issues, they will fix in the latest versions. They will fix it out. That is the latest versions we are importing the systems. It's not like that. What is exactly backend it is doing means the kernel in the exe directory, the kernels are getting updated in the exe directory. The kernels are getting updated.
Okay.
See here, upgrade is done successfully. The logs are written to the temp. It's done. Upgrade is done successfully. This is the way we have to perform the upgrade activity. Now go back, check. We have the 0771 also available. Okay. Now you guys have the now you need to perform the upgrade to the 07, right? You have to perform the upgrade to the 07, or if you want to me to perform, I can perform it. So now you have to perform to the 07. I perform the one step, then we can perform it. It's not like that 05 we have to perform, then after that 06, not then 07 order. No, it's not like that. So it's like you can directly jump into the 01 to 7 or 2 to 7, 3 to 7, 4 to 7 or 5 to 7, whatever it may be. You can directly go to the latest versions. So you don't need to follow the any order. Directly go to the latest versions. You can follow that one. Right? Any
Sir, and can you show like 1.0 to 2.0 upgrade?
upgrade that 1.0 we have to install it then now. 1.012 we have.
And also patch upgrade. Can you show one?
This is the patch update, right?
Sorry, sir. That revision they used to tell us now, like from 2.0 to we can go to 1.0 revision
No.
upgrade something.
1.0 to 2.0 we can update it. Okay, that is the HANA 1.0 to 2.0 conversion. Okay, in the 2.0 SPS 05 to 07, that is the SPS upgrade, means
Patch.
SPS upgrade, patch upgrade. Revision upgrade means within the 06. Suppose we are in the 06, right? We are in the 06. Suppose in the previously we are in the 06. So 06 65, I think we are in the 66 or 65 revision is there. So then the same patch level, you are not just upgrading the SPS level, just in the same patch level you are upgrading, you are just changing the revision. Revision means it's same thing only. So suppose like, so 67 is there now. Previously what is the our database version? So
59.
650, no 59, is it right? Yeah, 59. So now 67, now see here, now 67 is available. Where we are now in our system? Oh, 67 only. If the 68 is available, revision 68 is available, we can download the 68 revision, we can do the same steps here. We can perform the same steps here. So, but there is a new patch should come here. It is not received, it's not there in service marketplace. Maybe 70 is there. You can download the 70, you can install it. Then after that, you can update the just only revision to the 71.
71.
SPS 07, SPS 07 only. But only the revision is changed to the 71. Revision is changed to the 71. We can update to the 71. We can update it. Same way. So either you are doing the 60 or 70, whatever it may be patch, either SPS patch or revision patch. Same way you need to download it. You need to extract it. Same way you need to do the upgrade activity using the HDB LCM tool. You need to do the upgrade activity. Same way you have to perform it. It's not like that. So everything, but only ANA 1.0 to 2.0 conversion is different. So not different, the same, but I will download the patch. I will load it here 1.0. Then you can install the HANA 1.0. Then you can try to upgrade to the 2.0. Let's see what errors will come. Then some other times on maybe Monday, we can try to fix that issue also. That also we can fix it.
Is it possible to up to down? For example, we are using 2.0 and can down to 1.0.
No, it's not possible.
If in case my project is less project and it's no need to 2.0.
2. So 1.0 there is no support, right? Even you cannot see here, there is no support files also, only 2.0 files are there, but you have already old file is there, but there is no support. SAP will not recommend go for the 1.0, 2.0 to S 1.0 something. So if you are taking the risk, that is your risk, you have to take the risk. Means something wrong, SAP it won't support it. Why? Because it's not recommending by SAP to update your patches higher version to lower versions. How to update, that is not possible at all.
Okay.
Maybe we'll try now. We will get some clarity, right? So now we updated to the so now we updated to this 06. Now I want to roll back, right? I will go to the SPS 05, SPS 05. Now we are in the SPS 06, right? I want to go to the rollback now. Rollback means I want to change the versions here. I want to change this one, right? So here what I can do, 067 we have HDB. Now I want to go back to the previous status now, previous version, right? So previous version I want to go. Now again I will go to the here. So again you select it. Let's see what we will get here. Now you got it right. Now we will roll back in the patches, right? You got it right now.
Yes.
Even you see here, are you getting anything here? HDB version. You are not seeing anything, right? HDB. Our version is the
Yes, it's not there.
HDB. Yeah. So systems cannot be upgraded. It's already, see here. Systems cannot be upgraded. Why? Because the HDB newer version, it's already installed. So you cannot be upgraded these systems, but these systems you can be upgraded. Right, which means we cannot downgrade it. We cannot downgrade it. It's not possible. See here, it cannot be upgraded. It's not my statement. So system only telling, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
But there is SP06 and now current version is 07. Still it is showing that.
Where it is showing.
No, oh, no. In the newer version cannot be upgraded as
No, we can
it is
update it, right? Newer version cannot be upgraded, which means the version with systems which cannot be upgraded in a subheading like HDB system. HDB means we already upgraded to the 67, that you cannot be upgraded. Why? Because that is already in the higher version. You cannot be downgraded. So that is what saying that. So that is what it's saying.
So
that
no,
you cannot-
he's saying already we have 7, right? Then why it's saying already mentioned.
in the current marketplace there is already
7.
0.
Then 7 I have downloaded, but I have not went to the Java 7, right? Still, I need to uncar the 07 and I need to go to the same folder, and if I open it,
Okay.
then you will get the same. But what I am doing here, I went to the SPS 05 only. See here, I went to the 05, SPS 05, just I executed the HDB UPD. Then it's saying that, so this HDB, you cannot do that one. Why? Because it's already in the higher version.
Okay,
If I
got it,
go,
sir.
if I go SPS 07, if I execute the same command, then you will see, right? Okay, you want to upgrade the HDB, you will get the 3 systems then. 07, R, NIT, S4D, and HDB, you will get the 4. Or let's do now what's there. So let me uncar it like first. Right? Let me extract it. SAP car. What is the command?
XP
I finished.
What
Dot
is
slash use share.
I think not required. I'm in HDB LCM, it's not required. So I'm in the SAD ADM, right? It's not required. What is mean by XVF?
Extra
Extract verbose file.
Extract verbose file.
Excellent.
server.
Now you guys are rocking on the weekend.
Is it possible to upgrade that at a time in 3 systems?
Yes, I think it's possible to upgrade 3 systems.
How
Comma,
can
comma,
yes, okay.
something like SID, comma, another SID, comma, another SID, comma. I think we have to give something like that.
Okay.
Yes, this is taking longer time. That's done. So rightly we have done. Okay. So what I can do, I can switch back to root user. I'm in the media. I can just rename this to the rename to SPS07. Okay. I'm going to the inside of the folder. So every upgrade file, when you extracted, it will create the HDB UPD same files, you will get it out. Then if you execute it, now you can see what you will get here. So 07. So 07. See here, again. So 07 is required. The compact 11 file is required. So OS dependency same. Right, compact 11 is required. Then again, what you need? You need to upgrade, you need to update this package. So why? So how to means, though, just install, then see this one. So whether you will get from the from repository or not? This package, OS package.
Things will be taken care by OS team, right?
Yeah, OS team will take care of all these things.
RPM and compact.
Yeah, even OS version, everything they will take care of this one. Yeah, so no match found for our subscription. This is not available. So in this case, what we can do? So we can get from outside. Outside means, so from here we can get it from here. In the Google we can get this RPM packages, right? So here we need to get the RPM packages. Here we can get. Then so we can install that RPM packages. I think I have one document. Then 11 is not there. Okay, 9, 10 is there. Okay, if we search it, then we will get the RPM package, how to install it, right? RPM package. Now we need to search what is the RPM. 7 is there. Now we need 11 RPM package. Now we need to search what is that, where it is that. I think here it is available. Yeah, I think it is available here. What is the repository link? This is the repository link. I'm going to the here. So then so we need to install, right? Yum install this one, so that it will directly take from this repository and it will install it, as I told you, right? So definitely it should be, we have carefully, we need to check the Linux kernel version and the Linux version, then install that package, then we have to start the upgrade. So these steps we have to perform before upgrade itself only. See here, it is getting downloaded. See here, it is getting downloading now. Yes, so it is installing. Do you want to continue? Yes, done, right? So running the script, verifying, is done, right? We have done the upgrade, the package upgrade done. So now what we can do, now we can execute it. We'll see we will get the error or not. So now we did not get any upgrade here. See here, so HANA upgrade 2.0 SPS 07 we are getting here, right? We are getting here. So there is a systems which cannot be upgraded again. Why? HDB 02 is maximum SPS patch is 01, right? For revision 67, right? We are upgrading 01. So it's a 01 patch, like so 07 patch 1, right? 07 patch 1 we are doing. So patch 1 you are doing, but your current version is SPS 07 higher version, right? Higher version, so that it's not allowed to do. But here you can perform these patches. Here these patches, these versions you can upgrade it, right? These versions we can upgrade it. Here see why this HDB version is not upgraded. The patch, the maximal SPS patch 01 version is 67, which you cannot directly upgrade it to 02. So that only these things you can upgrade it. These things means either the S4H or NIT, you can upgrade it. So HDB you cannot upgrade it. So why? Because so here whenever the new version comes, now we are in the SPS 071. Whenever the new patch comes, that directly we can update to the new patch 72. We can update it. 02 we can update it. That patch level 02 we can update it. So we need to wait for that one. Why? Because both are released at the same time, so it cannot be upgraded. See here, upgrading from the 02 patch and to 01 is not possible. 02 patch to 0 patch is not possible here. Right? We need to wait. So here the patch level 00, right? Here the SPS patch, SPS 07, patch level 02. So 00 patch will come to the 02, no, right? So it's a higher, that is what here it is telling here. So it should be, so we should meet this requirement. Read this note. So then this patches
Instead
we
of
can
71, shall we go for 70? 70?
70 also it's not possible, I guess. 67 to 70, it's not
70,
possible.
later revision upgrade 71. I think that will be possible.
Maybe, yeah, that way we can try it. Yeah, that way also we can try it. So that way also we can try it. If it is possible, then that way we can try it. So that's why we need to clearly read the note and we have to update it. Yeah, we can try. We can try that one. I will download the patch here. We can try. That is, I will put into the /media. So you can try. Right? Just you can try this one.
Sure.
Okay, same way, upgrade, same step. So sometimes direct step is not upgraded, then we have to follow. So sometimes directly we can upgrade it. So that is the thing we have to follow from SAP, right? Just you can check this note actually. Why it is not allowing? You will get the patch versions. Why? Because why it is allowed below, or the why it is allowed means here the patch level it is the 08 here, 08, this SPS 05, and this is the patch 08 here 00. So we can update it, those things we can update it. So but here, so 67 is not updated. 67, so it's a 02 only, so it cannot be updated here. It should be higher. So just if you read this note, you will get more clarity why. Okay.